Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well in your life. So the reason I'm not creating videos from very long is I've been really sick these days, and yeah, I am in my hometown. So yes, there were a lot of questions on internships. A lot of people were asking how can I get internship in India or abroad. So anybody can get that. It's just that we are not aware where to fill those forms or how to find those internship. So I'm just gonna be informing you in this video. I'm not gonna share anything like any specific internship program over here, but I'm just gonna tell you how to actually get that internship. A lot of people will say that you will get those internship via Internshala or any other websites that exclusively look for the candidates who are intern or who are just fresh graduates. But I'm gonna say no. It works for some people, but the percentage of getting those internship is anywhere in 0.5% to 1%. Then what about the 99%? So yes, you can get those internship. Just search on Google internships, and then you will be looking at a lot of sponsored posts. Don't go for that. Just go for the ones that are by government or by any other private university that has a lot of name. So you can go for that, and yes, that is done. And once you just go for those, you will be started getting the recommendation on your Google page. Whenever you open Google, not Chrome, just Google on your phone, you will see the post that are for the internship program. So on, just like I'll show you over here, so you will see that they will start recommending you. Then you start applying it. It would hardly take a month or two to get that one internship that you are looking for, whether it's for software engineer or data analyst, or be it if you want to go for a fellowship in abroad. I would highly recommend that because I've seen people who have changed their life by going abroad. So if you can find a fellowship program abroad, you can go for that as well. The air is clean, the pollution is less, and the people are really warm, so you can also go for that option. But for Indian location or remote internship, there are many government programs that are hiring that even I'm not even aware of, but I get the recommendation on my Google. So it's very easy to go for that. So just start using those keywords on Google, like internship abroad or fellowship abroad or internships in India. You'll start getting the recommendation because of the fact that we cannot exactly know a channel or somewhere to find the exact career portal that is hiring an intern. So this is the best way. So yeah, I'm not gonna tell you a lot of things in this video, but just wanted to inform. And yeah, hopefully if I recover, I will start creating internships videos and things like that. But please keep on searching by your end. And yeah, I wish you all the best. If you have any query, suggestion or doubt, write in the comment section below. Once I recover, I'm gonna create more videos on that. Bye for now, until we meet next time.